Cinnamon and honey, the possible treatment for many diseases. Cinnamon and honey are two natural ingredients with multiple health benefits. Some people claim that when these two ingredients are combined, they can cure or avoid most diseases. While there is some evidence that each has some medicinal uses, some claims about the mixture of honey and cinnamon seem too good to be true. Here are some of the most important benefits of the use of this combination. Colds. Honey fortifies immunity and prevents free radical damage, while the essential oils in cinnamon destroy species of bacteria characteristic to the common cold such as E. coli and L. monocytogenes. All you have to do is to add a tablespoon of raw honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon to a cup of hot water, stir and sip the remedy twice daily to fight the cold. Arthritis. Arthritis patients can benefit by taking 1 cup of hot water with 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 small teaspoon of cinnamon powder. When taken daily, even chronic arthritis can be cured. Pimples. This combination is very useful for pimples. Make a paste of 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and apply it on the pimples before sleeping and gently wash it off the next morning with warm water. Repeat daily for 2 weeks and it will yield in clear and fresh-looking skin. Heart diseases. Make a paste of honey and cinnamon powder, apply on wheat bread for daily breakfast to reduce the cholesterol in the arteries and save the patient from a heart attack. Bad breath. This combination is also great for bad breath. Take 1 teaspoon of honey and cinnamon powder and mixed in hot water and then gargle in the morning regularly. This will help you to remove bad breath. Weight loss. This combination has also been shown to help in the fight against excess body weight. Drink honey and cinnamon powder boiled in 1 cup of water daily in the morning, on an empty stomach before breakfast and at night before sleeping. It helps in weight loss by not allowing the fat accumulation in the body. Immune system. Daily use of honey and cinnamon powder strengthens the immune system and protects the body from bacterial and viral. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.